What is up, y'all? It's favorite producer Ron got the recipe, and tonight we're doing a cook up. It's about 10:22 down here in Miami, and we just gonna cook up, man. I have no idea when I'm gonna make. If this goes right, I'll post it tomorrow. Gonna try to do a video cooking up some soulful vibes. We gonna see what's up. However this turns out is how it turns out. Let's get it. All right, so let me plug this up, and let's get started, man. You know, quick cook up. You never know how these things go. Sometimes you catch a vibe, sometimes you don't. All right. Take a little sip here. We rolling? We good? All right, cool. All right, so let's see what we got. I love my addictive keys, man. They just always sound so damn good. London Bridge is falling down. That's crazy. All right, let's get a good BPM. So I'm gonna slow it down. Now this is cool. 86. Yeah. Hold on, let's get this right. That was fire. We got it? All right, cool. Let's put some drums down. You know me, I gotta go with the addictive drums too. For some reason, I'm weird. I like my stuff to be color coded, color coordinated. I don't know why. That's just how I do it. Let's get it though. Let's see what these drums tapping. See what these drums sound like. I've been using the preset from my boy Orangey Soul. Fire kit here, man. Once I customize it how I like it, it's game over. So my snare, I like that one. Probably gonna do it there again too. So I got 3. Let's go with the toms. Gonna go tom 1 on F, tom 2 on G, tom 3 on A, and tom 4. Is there a tom 4? There is not a tom 4. All good. Ride. Gotta go ride tip, and then crash number 1. Oh, we forgot the open hat. Forgot the open hat. Gotta get the open hat in there too. That's super important. So tip, we got that. Let's go open hat B. Yeah, that sounds great. I think I'm gonna stick to more of the traditional. Yeah. Let's get it. think we got it. Baseline is crazy. So that step down, boom. Yeah, I like how it sounds so far. It's a pretty cool cook up. It's important to do these because if you don't like push yourself to do stuff like this, you'll never get good. So. All right, I want to add like a vocal sample in, so I'm going to drop in some LANDR real quick. Sampler. Let's do some vocals, load samples. All right, let's see what we got.
Top of my head. Oh, you stay on my mind. We ain't away. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. In the way you work.
Woo!
Higher, 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 higher.
You gotta go might be the vibe too. You gotta go.
You gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go high. You gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go higher, higher.
Yeah, I think we got it. I wonder if I can do this in real time. Let's see.
Higher, higher, higher.
Record.
Higher, higher. Higher, higher. You gotta go higher. You gotta go higher. You gotta go higher. You gotta go higher, higher.
Now, did it record like that? I don't think so.
You gotta go higher.
Yeah, I don't think it records like that though, because it's playing from where the sample starts at. But I could just duplicate this real quick and then have one start, the first one start on the beginning here, boom, and then have the second one start on the second half here. So now if I cut this part out and cut the ending here, I should have what I just played.
Higher, higher. Higher, higher. You gotta go higher.
Yeah, all I did was turn up the delays on here. I mean the reverb on this one. I'm gonna add some delay, but the delay I like. I usually use the Manny delay because it's a quick one. It's a quick one to use. You just Pop it on there and it pretty much already does the job. All right, cool. That sounds great. Let's bring it down a little bit. I want to go ahead and automate this real quick. Just make a little. Actually, before I automate, let's just keep building. Let's keep cooking. Gonna go with addictive keys again, and then I'm gonna switch it up with these modern grid. Sounded pretty good so far. Let's add some guitar. Pretty cool cook up. I hope to do more of these. Hopefully this came out good to y'all. I'll post it up tomorrow on the channel. Hope you learned something. Even if you didn't, I hope you learned something anyway. I know, don't make sense, but this was fun. Let's do it again. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.